Why does cooking make my HVAC system run longer? Cooking adds heat and moisture to your home, so the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system must work longer to keep the indoor temperature and humidity comfortable. When you cook, your stove, oven, and even some countertop appliances release heat into the air. An oven can add a surprising amount of warmth, especially during long baking or roasting. Boiling water and simmering food also release moisture, which can make the air feel warmer and stickier. Your cooling system must remove both the extra heat and some of that moisture, so it may run longer than usual. The kitchen can become warmer first, but air movement can carry that heat through nearby rooms. Range hoods help by sending hot air and cooking moisture outside, but only if they vent outdoors instead of simply filtering and returning the air. A useful detail is that electric and gas cooking can both affect cooling, while gas burners also add combustion byproducts and require good ventilation. Use the range hood before cooking, keep it running for about 10 to 15 minutes afterward, and cover boiling pots when practical. During hot weather, cooking earlier in the day or using a microwave, toaster oven, or outdoor grill can reduce the extra workload. One common mistake is assuming a longer cooling cycle always means the system is failing, so first check whether the longer run happens mainly during or after cooking. Another mistake is leaving the range hood off because the kitchen does not smell strongly. Use it anyway, since moisture may be present even when odors are mild. People also sometimes ignore a clogged filter, which restricts airflow and makes the system work harder, so check the filter monthly and replace it as needed. If the system runs for hours after cooking, rooms remain damp, or airflow seems weak, have a qualified technician inspect the equipment and ductwork. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobItTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.